Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Office installations with the error code 0-1012 in Windows 10 computer. So this error is a common issue that prevents the successful installations of Microsoft Office, and this error is often caused by several factors including residual files from previous Office installations, system file corruptions, antivirus or firewall software, internet connections or proxy settings, and insufficient disk space. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the network and internet troubleshooters to ensure a stable internet connections. So all you have to do is to click on the search menu, and then here you need to type troubleshoot settings, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at troubleshoot settings, on right side, then you need now to select this additional troubleshooters and then click. And then once you open up here at additional troubleshooters, here's at left side navigation panel. And underneath here at get up and running, then you need now to tap or click this internet connections and then click. And the next step, then you need to tap or click this run the troubleshooters and then click. Then we need to wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. So here at internet connection, so after completing the scan, so please select the issue windows should troubleshoot. So we have two options here that we need to do. So one, we have troubleshoot my connections to the internet or help me connect to a specific web page. So either one of these, so we need to select. So for example, we need to select this help me connect to a specific web page and then click. And then pop up this internet address of the website you want to access. So for example, you want to access the www.microsoft.com, then you need to type here the address, and then we need to follow the prompt instructions here on the screen to fix this error. Then you need to tap or click this next to proceed. So after completing this internet connections troubleshooters, then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to temporarily disable security software. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type this Windows security, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at Windows security, that at left side navigation panel, then you need now to select this virus and threat protections and then click. And then once you open up here at virus and threat protections, and then you need to scroll down. Underneath here at virus and threat protection settings, then you need now to tap or click this manage settings and then click. And then here now at virus and threat protection settings, then you can see now this real-time protections. So all you have to do is to turn off this button here. Then we need to turn off. And then if you receive user account control and then click yes. Alright, so you can see now that the real-time protection is temporarily turned off. So after here, then we need to close again. If the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to check the repair system files. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt. Then you need to tap or click this run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then click yes. And once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then we need to type and enter this command keyword as fc /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So that's why we will do this command keyword as fc scan now, because it is the command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scan all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And then verifications 100% complete. So after completing this command keyword sfc scan now, then we need to close this cmd, and then we need also to restart this PC by clicking this power button here and then click restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.